affiliate marketing. Any of you guys know what affiliate marketing is? I'm a funnel hacker. That's what I know. Alright, let's take a look at it real quick, alright? There's 3 things that you need in order to run a successful affiliate marketing account or business. You need a capture page. Okay? This is key. That's where you're going to be getting your clients' emails, addresses, their name, phone number, whatever the hell you guys are getting from them. That's what you need. Capture page. In order to make one of those, what we use is Clickfunnels, which is what we are going to have you set up an account with. They offer a 14-day free trial. Before the 14 days are up, you're going to be making money from it, okay? So you make your capture page with Clickfunnels, okay? You need this to go to an autoresponder, okay? Now that is going to be Aweber. It's where you send all your emails directly every single day, every morning, every afternoon from. That's how your clients are going to be talking to you every single day. Capture page, autoresponder, okay? Now to set this capture page up, you need what? A domain name, okay? Domain. We're going to go through GoDaddy, okay? The easiest to set up, easiest place to go. So I've been offered that you guys can get a 99-cent domain name through GoDaddy if you use my link. So we're going to be setting that up, okay? But let's get a new one real quick, okay? Let's get it. Okay. Let's just save it as whatever. That's fine. Okay. So now, all right, you have your capture page right here. Okay. Then once they opt in, they're going to go to a thank you page right here. Okay. Then exactly what you guys did. You went to a member page. Okay. Member page. Now on there, you're going to have a list of what they need to do to set everything up, and you're going to make your own video like this, exactly how I'm doing it. Okay. Capture page. You get their email. Okay. Thank you page. You tell them, "Oh, thank you. You're going to enjoy this training." Blah 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 blah. You gotta offer them something though up front. You can't just blindly say, "Oh, give me your email and I'll help you out." No, you're going to be giving them this free funnel that I'm giving you guys right now. Okay. You're going to offer them the funnel, but they have to sign up for what account? The Clickfunnels account. Okay. That's going to be your main selling point. Okay, because every one account you get, you make $38 commission off of it. Okay. Or if they sign up for the big boy account, you get $118 and some odd cents. Okay. So let's recap. Capture page, email. Okay. You're going to then send them to a thank you page where you're going to offer them or tell them to sign up for the Clickfunnels account. And then you send them over to, well, not sign up for the Clickfunnels account right up front. You're going to want to tell them to whitelist your email address. Okay. Let's do this. Whitelist email. Sorry, I have a touch screen. I'm just writing on the screen. Whitelist your email address so that they can actually receive all of your emails. Okay. Let's get back to it now. In the autoresponder, Okay, this is going to be the main thank you for subscribing, blah, 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 autoresponder, the first email that you're gonna send to them. Okay, now in that, you're gonna introduce yourself. Okay, intro. You give them a problem. Okay, what's their problem? Oh, you want to learn how to make money online, right? Okay, what's their solution? It's ClickFunnels. Now, what I'm trying to do to all of the people that are signing up under me with ClickFunnels, I have more than just one funnel that I can offer. I have a dream car funnel, an e-com funnel, and then I have my personal funnel. Okay, the dream car is a badass funnel. It basically pinpoints the offer that ClickFunnels is giving out. If you get 100 people under you, they'll pay $500 of your car payment. Okay, and if you get 200 people under you, they pay $1,000 freaking dollars a month for your dream car. Okay. Now I'm not sure if you plan on running an e-commerce funnel or not, but I have one of those too. Okay, I have so many funnels that I can give to you guys if you sign up under my account, and I'm going to be there for you guys every single day. So I had a bunch of pop-ups just come up. Okay, so if you don't remember, what are the 3 things that you need to have a successful affiliate marketing? Okay, you need a domain, you need a capture page, well, a web building platform, web building capture page, and an autoresponder. Okay, domain name is www. whatever. Okay, your capture page is where you're going to get their emails with. Okay, and then the autoresponder, we're using Aweber. Okay, now if you guys sign up for these 2 things right here under my name, you're going to get 11 sales funnels that I personally have made and that I'm personally using up front right now to bring in. I don't even know the exact number right now, but I mean, as you can see, I have a pretty nice house. There's my pool in the backyard. There's me. There's my wife doing her homework in the back. I don't know where my daughter is. Who knows? She's definitely not playing with her toys right now. And her neighbor is waiting for her to come over and play. So, but I didn't get this shirt for no reason. Okay. So I'm gonna drop a link to my ClickFunnels account so that you guys can sign up for it under it. Okay. With that, I have a ton of bonuses too that I can give you guys too, and which I'm going to get to those right now. All right, look at these. The complete internet marketing strategy, traffic blitz, traffic machine, traffic unleashed. Let me show you what's in the Dropbox too. Okay, let me get in there so you guys can see exactly what bonuses I'm going to give you guys for signing up with it under my account. All of those, the 11 sales funnels, e-commerce funnel, the basic website funnel, the lead capture funnel, tons of other funnels. I can go through so many different things. My next video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to build a sales funnel by yourself. So tune into the next one, and I'm going to show you how to build a sales funnel in under 10 minutes. And that's with me showing you how to do everything. Imagine how long it's not going to take without me showing you, okay? Now we have all of these. We have the affiliate marketing course, the blogging marketing course, content marketing, e-commerce ebook, email marketing, SEO courses, search engine marketing, social media marketing, and web analytics course, okay? You guys are going to get all of these, everything in here except for this stupid weight loss detox. I'm not sure why it's in there, but everything is going to be yours if you guys sign up through ClickFunnels with me, okay? The link's going to be down below in my bio or in the description of the video. So follow that. Come back tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to build a sales funnel in less than 10 minutes, okay? I also have videos on how to connect your domain name, how to set up your autoresponder within ClickFunnels. We'll do that on another video too. So right now, we got the basics down, okay? You need a domain. Head over to GoDaddy. I'm going to put the link in my video description, okay? The domain, you need the website builder, okay? That's going to be ClickFunnels, okay? And then you need your auto responder. Okay, that's Aweber. I'm going to have both of those, all three of those links into the description. So click on each link, sign up for each account. Once you do, send me an email. It's at matt@mattharriscoaching.com. Okay, I'll have that email address in the description too. Send me a link, let me know that you signed up. And I'm going to send you all of those extra bonuses, all those sales funnels, all my training videos, everything I have. I know this is a silly basic video, but I'm making it real quick before I go out to get frozen yogurt with my family. So get that taken care of, sign up for those accounts, and I'll be in touch with you guys, okay? Have a good night, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon. I mean, I can't wait to just hit the ground running and just go full time with you guys.